Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we will be talking about my strategy I use to trade on the forex markets. Now there's plenty of strategies that many investors use. However, I use something very simple, straight to the point. I do take into account candlestick structures, bearish wicks, bullish wicks, and all that good stuff. Now before we get into this video, I want to mention that trading on the financial markets could be very risky. I'm not responsible for any losses that you do take on your account while trading forex. This is simply for education and my personal opinion on what happens in the markets and how I trade. Now let's dive deep into the charts and get to it. The first pair I want to take a look at is going to be GBP JPY. First, I want to figure out, what is the market doing? Are we in a downtrend, uptrend, or are we moving sideways? Clearly, if you look at the chart, we are currently in a downtrend at this specific time on the market. As you can see, we are creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Beautiful market structure showing us that the bears are in control of this market and we are currently sitting in a downtrend. Now, as I said before, I trade based off market structures. If we're looking at the chart, we can clearly see the pair created beautiful support right around this level. What I would be looking for is a break of the support, a retest, and then a continuation to the downside. As you can see, we clearly got it right here. Although the break was not as significant as I would like most of the time, we still have the break of support, a retest as resistance, and then a drop from there. This would have been a nice profitable trade if you were taking it on the short side as a break and retest trader. Now, as you can see, it happens all the time, and it happens beautifully when the market is moving in a downtrend or an uptrend. As you can see right here, we created another support zone, which later tested as resistance and dropped from there. We roughly have 16 hours of data showing us that there's buyers sitting in this market, which then drove the price directly back into the previous support zone, tested as resistance, and dropped. Beautiful trading opportunity. Now, as you can see, prior data, we have 16 hours of support. Later on, this pair finally broke through the zone. As a break and retest trader, I am looking for a retest and then a continuation to the downside. A little shortly after the break, we came back, formed another support zone with around 20 hours of data, shot right back up to the previous support zone, retested it as resistance, and dropped. I simply would have taken a sell once I saw the pair dropping from this level. I stops above the level and take profit at the next area of support, which would clearly be sitting at this level right here, and later on this as well. Would have been a beautiful 1 to 2 risk reward. Later on, if you held the trade, you'd be looking at roughly a 1 to 5 with profits in your favor. As you can see, again, it happened. Built beautiful support, came back, retested, dropped a sell position, broke through the zone. Now we are looking for a retest of simply this support. Well, it used to be support. We got the retest as resistance and dropped beautifully into the key 126.884 level as we drew as a previous area of support. Like I said, guys, trading does not have to be hard. I've been trading this on demo for a month profitably, just started live, hopefully profitably this month. Simply look at market structure, tell whether the pair is going in an uptrend or a downtrend, and look for the break of key levels, a retest, and a continuation with the trend in your favor. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are brand new here. I'm going to be dropping content every single night following a pair that I'm looking at for the next morning of trading. If you guys have any video suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. It helps me figure out what my viewers would like to see for future videos. Thanks again, and make sure follow me on social media at FX to stay up to date on my trading journey. Thank you.